Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have got you this look. Now this look would go well on any skin tone, and this one you can wear if you are going out for any family function, wedding function, party or any outdoor events. So if you want to know how I created this look, then please keep on watching. Also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please take a moment to subscribe as well. Now let's just get started. So I'm just going to be starting up with priming my face. I have already moisturized and applied some lip balm and under eye cream, the usual drill. So I'm just using this NYX Total Drop primer. Now this one works amazing on any skin type, and this helps to lock the foundation or any makeup that you actually put on the top of this for a very long time, for a good amount of time. And it does not actually work on minimizing your pores or filling in your pores. So once after this, I'm color correcting my face. I'm using the LA Girl Orange corrector. Now there is some kind of misconception or understanding on when and how to use orange correctors. Only if you have dark circles or hyperpigmentations or discolorations, just use orange corrector. And it depends on the foundation. If your foundation has extreme coverage, you can stop just with foundation on covering the orange one. So here I'm just going to be showing you this foundation. This foundation has a good coverage. Now this one is a new foundation that I've been trying recently. This one is from LA Colors, and the shade I got is Cafe. So I actually underestimated the brand and the shade ranges they had. Actually, I am quite surprised with this product. Now this one, if you have oily skin, just blindly go for this. This is an amazing foundation for oily skin people. Normal to oily skin people can definitely use this. So I'm just blending this out with my fingers first. This is thick in consistency, so I find it easy when I actually blend this out with my fingers. Then I'm taking all the excess off with some beauty blender or some normal beauty sponge. This one I got it from Amazon to try out. So I'll just link the link in the description box below. So to conceal, I'm using Cafe shade again from Maybelline Fit Me range, and I'm just marking on the usual areas, and I'm just going directly on filling into my eyebrows. So if you want to know the eyebrow filling routine, then please do check out my channel. I have recently uploaded a video on how to do your eyebrows, so you can definitely check that out. The reason why I haven't blended the concealer till now is because this concealer is lighter in consistency, and I wanted the pigment to stay and get hold onto my skin a bit. So I just let this sit onto my skin for some time, and then I just blended this out. So I'm just baking my face with this Makeup Revolution banana powder. Now this one is a brightening powder, so I'm just using this underneath my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, on my forehead and on my chin. And for the rest of my face, I'm using the MISSCLAIRE TL5 blooming face powder to set my face. So I'm also blending it out, blending the lighter shade powder with the same sponge with which I use the MISSCLAIRE powder. So then I'm just going to move on to my eyelids. I'm using the NYX eyelid primer. Now this one is in nude shade. You can also use some concealer. So today I'm not setting my eyelids with some powder. I'm directly moving on to my eyeshadow. Today I'm using this 23 color eyeshadow palette from Nicka Cake eyeshadow. So I'm using this orange shade on my transition area of my eyelid, and I'm just blending this out very well. As you can see, I have already used a brown color on the top of this transition color. So yes, I'm just blending this out so that there are no harsh lines. I'm also taking this to the lower lash line, and I just poked my eyes with a brush, so please be very careful when you're doing that. I'm just taking this plumish pink color on my fingers, and I'm just loading this onto my lid area. This does not have to be very precise. I'm just loading the color onto my lid. So next I'm taking some lighter pink shade, and I'm working this on the inner 1/3 of my eyelid. So again I'm taking the dark pink shade on the same brush, but on the other side. It's an eyeshadow packing brush. So I'm just taking the pink and working this on my lid area, and packing and loading some more color onto my lid area. So I'm taking these two shades, mixing them, and I'm just going to be working this on my outer V area. So once after that is done, I'm just taking the same color on my lower lash line as well, just to give like a good dimension of color. and I'm just going to be blending all the colors well with some transition color, just to make sure that you won't see any harsh lines peeking out. So yeah, once after that is done, I'm taking these two shades and I'm just going to be highlighting my brow bone area. So these colors are all matte colors. So then I just use this IAmsterdamn liquid eyeliner in black to do a thin eyeliner with a small little flick at the end. Once after that is done, I'm going to be lining my upper and lower waterline with this Plum kajal in shade black. So this one is a good worthy product for the amount that you pay, so you can definitely try out this product as well. So once after this is done, I'm going to be applying some mascara, and I'm using this Essence mascara. This one actually surprised me again. This one actually worked pretty well. It kind of reminded me of the colossal Maybelline mascara range that you get, the yellow tube. So yeah, this one is a pretty decent one on the affordable side as well. So once after that is done, I'm going to be contouring my face with LA Girl pressed powder in shade Cocoa. I'm doing the usual areas like on the temples, on the area underneath my cheek and sides of the nose, and also on the jawline. Once after that is done, I'm going to be applying some blush. Clearly this is so pigmented, so I just took some time to blend that out very well. And I took the Moonshine highlighter from Nykaa, and this one is like my current favorite, I should say. And I just highlighted my cheekbone, top points. Next, I'm going to be filling in my lips with some MISSCLAIRE lipstick. Now this one is not a very big favorite product of mine. I just wanted to use it, so I just used it. And I'm topping it up with another Loreal pink lipstick. Then I just popped a little rhinestone bindi and spritzed my face with some PAC makeup setting spray, and with that the look is complete. So this is honestly a very simple look, and you can actually match the eyeshadow color with the outfit that you're wearing. And special mention to the eyeshadow palette that I have showed you. It's worth buying. All the colors are matte and super pigmented as well. So I'll link all the links in the description box below. I hope you all like the video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye.